Based on a cloud architecture, EOT provides digital energy services to improve the environment and to generate value for people, community and companies. We decided to invest in this initiative because we believe that access to energy is a measure of quality of life. And we want to play our part and contribute to improving the quality of life of people and communities. But this access must fulfill two conditions. It must be economically and environmentally sustainable. Today, we have a tremendous opportunity. We can transform energy from a cost to a revenue, and we can overcome the conflict between growing energy needs and human-induced climate change. And so, how we can make energy simple? We connect a lot of data to transform it into information that people can understand and, above all, into information that can be used to change the way people use energy. In other words, we make energy simple because we make energy tangible in everyday life. In the project, first of all, we defined what information the community managers need to collect from the residents and how to communicate with them in an effective way with gamification techniques developed by Jungle. Then we defined with the Planet IoT team what information will be collected by meters and sensors in field. We need these to feed our IoT platform and to be able to identify the ways in which energy is used. So, we have defined what type of actions we can suggest to residents, with a clear goal: to use energy when you are producing it and when you can share it with someone else in the community. This allows us to achieve lower energy costs for individual residents and reduce the impact on the environment. To do this, we have designed an algorithm to optimize the sharing of the energy produced. We have validated it with a test campaign, and the results are very positive, both in terms of optimization and in terms of scalability of the algorithm, as the number of residents involved will increase.